When she come, oh boy, she'll be coming around the mountain. When she come, I'm waiting for my desk to get to the right level. All right, y'all, welcome. Come on in. It is gonna either be morning or afternoon or night. Those are only three options that we got right now. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lee of Wine Down with Lee, and today is my birthday, or the day that I published this, I should say. It is my birthday. Don't know when you will see this, but it is also my 4-year anniversary on YouTube. Let me take these off because I don't know if I'm getting a glare from all the lights that I have on in this place. I really want to turn down the lights. I hate a lot of light, but I feel like I am such a chocolate young lady. If I don't leave the lights on, you probably won't see me. So here we are. All that to say, I just wanted to come on here. I have no script today. I'm just blabbing. I'm to the left and I'm to the right. So if you want to go ahead and click off. But I have something to tell you. I do have something serious that I do want to tell you. But just hold tight. Stay with me. I have some information that I looked at my channel, right? So I used to post my Microlock Mondays or my Makeup Monday questions, and those were exciting. As I went back through them, they were kind of exciting. I was happy that I went back through them and I saw that you guys were answering the questions, and I am going to, with the best of my ability, start back implementing those because I think that was just awesome, and it helps me find out information from my audience. As of today, I have about 2,000, maybe 2,300 subscribers on my channel. So first and foremost, thank you all for subscribing and wanting to watch little old me, because when I very first started this journey, I did not think I had anybody that would pay attention to me. So I am grateful for you watching me for whatever reason, which I'm gonna tell you now because I know why y'all watching. Whatever reason you are watching my channel. Those Microlock Mondays gave me the information that I needed to kind of move forward with the decision that I have made, and I'm going to tell you about here in just a second, okay? So looking at some comments from my subscribers, I got that you guys want to see vlogs from my channels, okay? I got a comment from one of my subscribers that says, vlogs about my life. I have a pretty standard life. Spend the day with me. I would love for you to spend the day with me, but I work at the FDIC, y'all. I don't know if y'all know that, and if you don't, the government is going through a whole lot right now. But listen, I don't know if I can take you with me on a lot of what I do, but that's what I do for a living, and that's where I spend most of my hours, 10, 12, 13 hours a day at work. I digress. Okay, back to what I was saying. Okay, and if we do tutorials, you guys want tutorials that are 15 minutes or shorter, okay? Now, most of my subscribers did understand that Wine Down with Lee was created as a beauty channel. I am so happy to know that because I did not think that, okay? However, 37% of my subscribers say that they do not care or are not interested in makeup. If I put numbers to the 20, and that was a year ago, okay? So if I went back a year, I would say I had 2,000 subscribers. So 37% of the 2,000 did not wear makeup. So that means that 63% of you are here for Microlock, which I knew that because that is where the algorithm pushes my content to individuals who really are interested in Microlocks. Those videos on my channel are doing extremely well. So that I kind of already knew. But with that being said, I did put up a poll asking individuals how they felt about organization. That is another hobby of mine that one of my viewers said, hey, show us some of your hobbies. 48% of my subscribers said that they wanted to see organization. So I have a bunch of microlocking, organizing individuals that are on my channel. Me and the algorithm are both lost in translation. I will tell you that. So what do I do with this information that I have analyzed over this time? I have been trying to fight the algorithm with pushing my content back as beauty content, and it is just fighting back with me because, as you guys know, my main hobby, one of the things that I love to do, is beauty content, and that is just not something that most individuals on this channel want to see, and that's fine. So with that being said, I am now, drum roll please, introducing my new channel. Some of you may be subscribed already, and if you're not, this is your opportunity to subscribe. What just happened? Why did my light go? Oh, my camera's getting hot. Before I was so rudely interrupted by my camera overheating, like I was saying, this is your chance to subscribe to my new channel, which is Living OriginaLee, where I will be doing more vlogs. It will definitely be more of me doing my DIY projects, more of me doing my organization projects, just more of lifestyle content. So if you're interested in getting to know Lee for Lee and what Lee does on a daily basis, then this is it. Also just sharing life. You know, I named it OriginaLee because I've grown up these 4 years over YouTube. There are just some things that have changed within me, meaning you just start not to care about certain stuff and you just become a little bit more transparent with who you are, which is why I'm standing here talking to you in PJs. Like it's just what it is. I think a lot of people can just resonate with me being human, right? So that aspect of me will come out more on that side of the house, which is why I did the video like this on this side of the house, to give you a reflection of what you're gonna see over there. Okay, over here will definitely be still more of the beauty content, will still be more of the micro lot content. And because I will be filtering through 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and still working a full-time job, you will probably just expect less rapid fire content on this end, and it will be a balance. So if you need to see me on a weekly basis, then you might need to jump from channel to channel or something like that. And then if your girl just get tired, you know, I'm gonna post it up on both channels and let y'all know, hey, I'm taking a break, okay? Because I am human and I am a one-woman show doing it all by myself right now until God bless me with some help. And that's just the way that it is. And I'm keeping it REAL, as they say. Okay, that is my 4-year anniversary news. I wanted to do something a little bit more shebang pop as far as, you know, balloons and all these other things. But I thought to myself, listen, reality is what reality is, which is this. So I hope you guys join me on my new channel, Living OriginaLee, as well as continue to support me here on Wind Down with Lee, because they're both kind of, you know, intertwined but different, but it's still me. I don't want to take up any more of your time because this video was definitely a quick shot out here. I just wanted to put the information out there so you would know that we up 2025, we out here. All right, y'all, I will see y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Bye.